morning, dear students. Now today I am going to explain the prime factorization of the numbers using factor tree method. Now what is factorization? To break a number into its factor is called a factorization. Now what is prime factorization? The method of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. Prime factorization is best expressed as a factor tree. Let's take some example to understand. Find the prime factorization of 80 by factor tree method. First we write 18, then we split 18 in this, that the first, we know this 18 is an even number and the 18 is divided by 2. Then we write here 2. 2 is the smallest prime number, and if we multiply by 9 then we get 80. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि जो हमारा स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर है वो डिवाइड होता है या नहीं होता है 18 से. 18 is an even number, so easily 18 is divided by 2 and we get the quotient 9, and we write this 2 and 9 and we multiply this 2, then we get 18. तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 18. Now the 2 is the prime number, so we cannot split it, we write it as it is. Then 9, we know 9 is an odd number, then 9 is not divided by 2. Then comes the next prime number, that is 3. We write it here 3, 9 is divided by 3 and we get the quotient 3. And if we multiply these 2, then we get 9. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And if we multiply all these numbers, then we get 18. In this way we can check it that the prime factorization of 18 is correct or not. Now we start activity 5. Find the prime factorization using the factor tree. Number A, 12. Now how we can solve this? First we write 12 and we split 12 by any number. We see that 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. We can write 2 multiplied by 6 or 3 multiplied by 4. It's your choice. So here we take the 2 and here we write the 6. If we multiply these two numbers, then we get 12. Now 2 is the prime number, so we cannot split further. Then 6 is a composite number. Now we can split it. Then again split 2 multiplied by 3. If we multiply this two number, then we get 6. And now we see all the numbers are prime number. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And if we multiply all this number, then we get 12. Another method, the second method is that 12 and write here 3 and we write here 4. 3 4s are 12 and in between multiplication sign is there, then if we multiply these two, then we get 12. Now 3 is the prime number, so we cannot split it. Then 4 is the composite number, and we write here 2 multiplied by 2. Then it comes 4. Now the prime factorization of 12 is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is the same. Either you can solve by this method or by this method. The answer will be the same. At last, all the factors will be the prime factors. And if we multiply all the numbers, then we get this one. Then our answer is correct. In this way, we can check ourselves that our answer is correct or not. The next is 56. Now we find out the prime factorization using factor tree method. First we write here 2. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 56 is divided by 2, then 28 is our quotient. Then 2 is the prime number. We write it as it is and then we split it. Again 2, 20. 28 is divided by 2, then comes 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 14. And if we multiply these two, then 28 comes. Then we write as it is, here as it is, and then we split 2 7s are 14. These are the prime numbers. This is the prime factorization of 56, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. And if you multiply all this number, then 56 comes. The next is 100. Now we find out the prime factorization of 100 using factor tree method. Now we split, here is 2 and 100 is divided by 2. Then quotient comes 50 and we multiply these two, then 100 comes. Then 2 we write it as it is, then we split it. Here we write 2, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10. Then again we write it 2, then here is 2 and then we split here, that is 5 5s are 25. This is the prime factorizations of 100, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. And if we multiply all this number, then 100 comes. This is your homework. Find the prime factorization of 48, 72, 88 using factor tree method.